Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove the hood on that Land Rover Discovery 2. And we'll have many more videos since we'll be doing engine replacement. So check it out guys. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. Now we will be removing the hood. We'll need to open it and let's go ahead and see what else we'll need to do. I guess you have to be a qualified person to drive a Rover, so you know where to open the hood. Okay, what we need to do now guys, we need to disconnect the hose for the windshield wipers. This is the hose right here, and this one, don't twist it, just turn it left and right and it will come out like that. So we're using 13mm or 1/2 socket with you can just use a ratchet if you need to. Okay, we need to remove the bolt. There is 2 bolts actually, and what happens now? You need to make sure you hold the hood with one hand. You need at least 2 people for that job. Okay, and remove the second one here. And now we need to go towards the other side of the vehicle and do the same thing. Alright guys, and now we can go ahead and we can actually pull the whole hood out of here. Okay, you can see, and this one will need to be repainted soon. So that's how you guys remove it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.